In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks tip, how to add and manage custom fields on invoices. If you want to include extra details on your invoices like a sales rep name, a purchase order number, or another tracking field that matters to your business, QuickBooks Online makes that possible with custom fields. This is a simple feature, but it can make your invoices more organized, more professional, and easier to manage internally. To get started, sign into QuickBooks Online and look to the top right corner of the screen. Click the Settings icon. From there, find and select Custom Fields. This is where you can create and manage the additional fields you want to use across your forms and transactions. Once you're in the Custom Fields area, click Add Custom Field. QuickBooks will then prompt you to set up the new field. Start by entering a name for it. This should be something clear and easy to recognize, such as sales rep or PO number. The name you choose is important because it helps you and your team quickly understand what information belongs in that field. Next, choose the data type for the custom field. This step determines what kind of information the field will accept, so take a moment to select the option that best matches the data you plan to enter. Choosing the correct data type helps keep your records consistent and easier to review later. After that, make sure the field is assigned to the transaction category. This is what allows the custom field to be used on invoices and other transaction-related forms. If you skip this part, the field may not appear where you expect it to, so it's worth double-checking before you move on. You'll also see an option called Print on Form. Turn this on if you want your customers to see the custom field on the invoice itself. For example, if you're adding a PO number that your client needs for processing, enabling this option is especially useful. If the field is only for internal reference, you can leave that option off. Once everything looks right, save the custom field. From that point on, it will be available for use on your invoices based on the settings you selected. As a quick tip, keep your field names short and practical so your forms stay clean and easy to read. It's also a good idea to only create fields you truly need, since too many extra fields can make invoice entry feel cluttered. That's it. You've now learned how to add and manage custom fields on invoices in QuickBooks Online, helping you customize your workflow and keep your transaction details more organized.